Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create product spotlight layout using custom shapes. Open a new Photoshop document for your product layout, then create rectangular shape as a placeholder of your product image. Apply gradient overlay for subtle background variation, then add circular shape to highlight price tags. Now group product image shapes for easier editing. Insert small accent shapes to frame product features. Then align all shapes using smart guides for balance. Now apply a soft drop shadow to make an element pop. Then add text layer for product titles and descriptions. Use clipping mask to integrate shapes and images seamlessly. Adjust gradients